Time now for a check of the forecast with Rochelle. Hey, Rochelle, we thought it was sweater weather, but it's not sweater weather.
Not sweater weather.
Feeling hot out there.
Our directors were in shorts today. It was that warm outside across the area for a third day in a row. But if you're a fan of the warm weather, this is the end of it. So go ahead and get those sweaters and get those rain boots because we're going to need it over the next 24 hours. Taking a look at Hampton this evening, things are quiet out there. Wind's not too bad, but we do have the cloud cover pushing in for those of you trying to see the Geminids, doesn't look like we're going to be seeing too much of those because of the increase in cloud cover. But temperatures out there not too bad for an evening walk. 60 degrees in Norfolk, 60 also in Currituck, 55 in Ahoskie, 57 in Melfa, 55 also Williamsburg and in Matthew, 64 right now in Portsmouth, 68 currently in Virginia Beach, and it's 61 degrees in Duck and also in Edenton. So a warm evening out there. But as I mentioned, we're going to start to see those clouds pushing in over the next couple of hours. Big picture here, not too much really going on, but we're watching this system. Actually, let me go ahead and step over here so you can see. We're going to be getting the rain side of this system. The snow is actually going to be heading back off toward the mountains, northern parts of Virginia, back into West Virginia. There's actually some winter weather alerts in place, but again, we're going to be seeing all rain, and some of it could be a little bit on the heavy side as well. Winds increasing by the morning time tomorrow, 51 degrees overnight with that rain pushing in, and again, winds picking up, some putting it at northeast 5 to 10, and those winds have officially changed or will officially change as we head into the day tomorrow. Severe weather outlook, not looking at severe weather, but that's supposed to say general thunderstorms. Some non-severe storms are possible, along with some lightning as we head into the day tomorrow. Here's Futurecast starting things off at midnight. A couple of spotty showers out there, but mainly dry. Again, those winds changing, coming out of a northerly direction, which means a flow of cooler air pushing in. More spotty showers start to develop as we head toward the daybreak hour time. By 8 a.m., we'll have some areas with some heavier downpours, and as I mentioned, a few thunderstorms are possible during the day tomorrow. We're continuing to watch widespread rain across the area as we head into the afternoon, but by the time we get toward that evening rush hour time frame, things start to quiet down and eventually start to clear out. So a clear evening on the way. So here's how much rain we're expecting for tomorrow. It says the next 48 hours, but Tuesday is actually going to be a very quiet day in comparison. Anywhere between a half of an inch and 2 inches depending on where you live. Now back off to the north, we could be talking about upwards of 2 inches. So I want to know what you're seeing, so you can find me across social media. I'm most active on Twitter at _Rachael TV. Here's a look at tomorrow's temperatures. I think temperatures are going to peak tomorrow during the morning hours or by noontime. You also see pretty high chances for rain. Temperatures dropping down along with the chances for rain during the second half of the day tomorrow. Now tomorrow night we could have a couple of showers still possible, but clearing things out, windy and cool with those temperatures dropping back down to what you would expect for this time of year. Now what you would expect for this time of year is 50s. We're going to be back in there tomorrow. Remember, earlier in the day, much cooler but quieter on Tuesday. Mid-50s once again by Wednesday, and then we are below average for the rest of the 7-day forecast until we head into next week, in the second half of next weekend. Now, I do think we're going to be dealing with some breezy to gusty conditions over the next few days before those winds calm down. And again, temperatures dropping back down. So if you don't know where your sweaters have been the past few days, you are going to need it Tuesday and again by Thursday.